going to be a satisfactory answer for anyone, not the least of which is the Rourke family. So to say that this was anything other than a deliberate, intentional killing is inaccurate, to say the least. From our perspective, justice was more...
Now, I don't think anyone's denying Chris Watts had responsibility in this case. I think what people are speculating is that other people are responsible in the deaths of 4 human beings. So I would guarantee, I would put money on it, guys, that DA Rourke probably receives an email every day on this case, asking questions. People who are starting to hear about the case for the first time, and they're like, hey, justice wasn't served. Well, I'm going to tell you, you'll never get an answer from him. I've reached out several times. I've reached out to Frederick, Colorado. I've reached out to the CBI and FBI's public relations folks and have not heard anything, except for you need to reach out to the district attorney's office, which I have. Reached out to the attorney general's office, which there's a video on my page where I go over that. Did that earlier this year. And they told me that because DA Rourke is an elected official, they do not make comment on state cases. They don't get involved, is pretty much what I've been told. And I said, but what if the DA isn't answering me? And I was pretty much in a nutshell told there's really nothing we can do because he's an elected official. So I'm going to play this one more time. And I just don't recall him asking Chris outright where he says, I called upon him to tell me why he did it. I don't recall, but we're going to listen to it and we're going to play it. We're going to play this one more time.
This morning, the defendant is now headed to justice was more than served this morning. The defendant is now headed exactly where he belongs, which is a life sentence in prison without the possibility of parole. I don't think he will ever tell us. I don't think he will give an honest assessment of why he did what he did, how he did what he did. I intentionally called upon him to see if he would answer those questions in the courtroom this morning. Both his mother and through their attorney, his father, said that they hope